Hello everyone, this is Mathematics and we are here with the first four sections. Oh, first four sections, like literally four sections in A-level coming from IGCSE. That's very insane. So we are here with the first four sections of chapter 6, Trigonometrics, and we're gonna have these first four sections and this session overall as the revision of IGCSE. I'm not gonna do any questions in this session. So we're just gonna go ahead and review these trigonometry ratios together, and then we can get to sine, cosine, and tangent graphs more specifically. So let us just get started. So trigonometric ratios. We have three rules in general for trigonometry in pure mathematics 1, guys. One is cosine rule, the other one is sine rule, and the last one is area of the triangle using the sine. So as for the cosine rule, when we know two sides and the angle between them, then we can use the highlighted formula here, okay? This one. So like I have sides A, I have side A, I have side B, and I have angle alpha, which is between A and B. All right, so this condition is important. Alpha being between A and B. I can figure out the side C using this formula. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine alpha. So that is all that is to it. And when we know the three sides, guys, when we know the three sides, we can work out any angle in the triangle, okay? So how do we use the rule? We just use cosine alpha equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. So, and that is very important, guys. What is important? The thing that, okay, if I have, okay, let's say this angle is beta, and I have all three sides. Then, if I want to find cosine beta, okay, let me just, okay, cosine beta is going to be the two angle on its sides, so A squared plus C squared minus the square of the opposite side, which is going to be B squared, over what? 2 times the two sides which between which the angle lies, okay? So which is going to be 2AC here for angle beta. If I want to find angle alpha, then it's going to be here, right? A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB is going to equal cosine alpha. So you can just ignore this cosine here and use an inverse cosine here and write your answer. Doesn't really matter, you can do whatever. So this is it for the cosine rule. And as for the sine rule, so guys, sine rule is basically a ratio, okay? You're trying to find a ratio of a side to the sine of its opposite angle, and then you're gonna use this ratio and one other known side or one other known angle to find its corresponding opposite angle, or let's say side. Okay, so I'm not just trying to complicate you, and let's just review the rule. If you have, for any triangle, if you have the triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C as mentioned here, then we're gonna have A side A over sine of angle A equal to B over sine of angle B equal to C over sine of angle C. And just be very careful about this one, guys. A is opposite to vertex A. Okay, you see vertex A, and A is the opposite here. So, and the same goes for B, vertex B, and C, vertex C. And just be careful about this one. And as for the equations, as for the rules of equations, I can write this one as this one, I can write this one in another form as well. I can say that sine angle A over A equal to sine angle B over B equal to sine angle C over C. And these two are the same thing, and you can just use this one for angles and use this one for sides, which doesn't really matter if you ask me. You can just use this one, do the cross multiplication, and just find out the sine, the angle, the side, doesn't matter. And the last one, the area rule. Okay, so the area rule, guys, is all about knowing, again, two sides and the angle between them. Okay, two sides and the angle between them. If you know two sides and the angle between them, you can find out 1, the third side, and 2, the area of the triangle. How? When we know two sides and the angle between, area of triangle ABC, which is here, is going to be 1 over 2 AB times sine angle A. And this is all from IGCSE, guys, so I didn't really focus and waste your time on doing topicals for this. If you're looking for questions, there are book questions and there are many sites that you can get for your topicals from, and just do them. But you need to know this. You need to know all of these for because of IGCSE, all right? So we just had a quick revision just to cover all the syllabus and practice these. We're gonna continue with trigonometry graphs. Thank you for watching the video. Take care and goodbye.